mean to you if we can help you to reduce the time to deploy your BMC SRM request catalog by 40%? Rapid configuration of the catalog items, allowing you to easily meet your project deadlines. You'll be able to honor the commitments that you've made to your customers, and you'll get a larger catalog with less time and effort. Deploying a BMC SRM catalog presents a series of challenges. Translating the business requirements into a service offering in the tool is difficult. It's labor intensive, and it requires lots of hands-on clicking. You have to create the definitions and also their supporting objects. There's no easy way to replicate similar offerings for other business units or other companies, and the service offerings, once created, don't port easily from environment to environment. Transport addresses these challenges. The data that makes up the SRD components is created and loaded using the Transport framework. That Transport framework allows you to load data from files and has been used traditionally for loading ITSM Foundation data. Now it can load SRM data. The process using this framework is faster and repeatable, and service offerings with lots of similarity are easy to replicate. With Transport, we can use CSV files to build the components. We can cut and paste to replicate offerings, and we build our catalog up much quicker. With Transport's batch and scheduling capabilities, you can schedule a load of your entire catalog and all of its components to take place in a few minutes with a single click. You can easily build complex offerings with robust mapping down into various fulfillment objects. You can replicate that mapping in multiple offerings with just a cut and a paste. In addition to that, Transport has what we call the Quick Builder. Quick Builder allows even easier replication of your offerings without having to use CSV files or understand the structure of the service request definitions. Quick Builder will let you clone already defined offerings and extend your catalog that way. Quick Builder is a wizard-based tool. It allows you to take an existing service offering and use that to create another one that's similar in structure but customized to be a different offering. The intention is that the business process person could create new offerings, and where appropriate, deploy them. They don't need to have a remedy background or understand the underlying structures. Cloning is rapid and automated, and further contributes to a more robust catalog with less time and effort. The data integrity is preserved because it's automated, and the data quality is higher than if you manually created your catalog items. We hear all the time from our customers that service request management is crucial to the business. It's got high visibility with the end users. Customers generally want to put out a catalog with hundreds. Currently, we have a customer that's actually implementing a catalog with thousands of service request offerings. With the out-of-the-box tool and the labor-intensive process, the multi-click effort, it's an insurmountable task. With Transport, it's doable. Transport will continue to save you time and effort even after the deployment of your catalog. It'll reduce your maintenance time as your service catalog requires updates, modifications, and additional service offerings. The difference between the number of clicks required to deploy a typical service catalog item using the BMC out-of-the-box process versus the number of clicks required if you're using Transport is huge. That difference alone will provide you with significant savings. If you're deploying the BMC SRM solution, you need Transport. You need it to leverage repeatable processes, replicate your service offerings, bulk load your data, giving you rapid deployment and portability.